Let's get the choir up here. Okay, Chris McShay is going to lead us in another song here. We got full forces on this one, all choir. Tom Barber's got the groove on this one, though. He's gonna start it off for us.
Hardcore play.
The song called Into the Mystic. I think you've all probably heard it, so
It would be really fun.
sing along. If you don't know the words, you can at least sing the horn part.
We were born before the wind, how so younger than the sun, and the body boat was one as we sail into the mystic. Hark now, hear the sailors cry, smell the sea and feel the sky. Let your soul and spirit fly into the mystic. When that foghorn blows,
I will be coming home.
you know I will be coming home. Yeah. When that foghorn whistle blows, I wanna hear it. I don't have to fear it, and I wanna rock your gypsy soul. Yeah, just like way back in the days of old. And magnificently we will float into the mystic. Oh yeah. Too late now. And when that foghorn sail into the mystic. Can't stop now. As we sail. Can't stop now. Can't stop. As we sail into the mystic. We're sailing to. Can't stop now. Sail into the mystic as we sail into the mystic.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.